Okay. Let's actually camp.
Yeah, let's actually camp.
Bro, jump scare. Holy shit. There's a chicken in front of me.
You should be dead.
Kill him.
Chain me. Fucking chain me. Chain me.
Get in there.
I'm not joking. Actually, chain me.
He's dead.
Wait. What happened here?
Let's go! We're first solo! Именуху, пожалуйста, молю. Спасибо! Блять, спасибо! Сука, 1000 лет нахуй!
What the?
야, 라스트 다이브다!
Huh?
No. Okay, at least we survived, bro. No, that's gonna be the worst clip. No. Yes! Solo Wizard Wyvern, baby.
Alvin! Alvin, boo! Oh! Yes! Yes! Live on, baby! Yes! And another longbow, 2 weapon damage! It's disgusting!
Yo, English or Spanish?
Bang. Oh yeah, you need.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys.
It's actually good.
Oh, fuck.
I can't look away. It's too good. God. God. Ah! I'm about to pickaxe you. This shit's gonna be embarrassing. I'm gonna phantomize. I'm just gonna stay with you now. I'm gonna treat you like your copper ore. I'm gonna fucking mine you. Bro, don't even fuck with me with that. We're both dead. Holy fuck.
Dude, I help. I'm opening this chest for us. Open this chest for us. Oh, watch out! There's still stuff. Watch out! No, you take it. You take it. I open for you. I saw him open their inventory. This is perfect. Oh baby, we are in. We are in, gamers. We are. Okay, I'll wait for the next one. Okay, maybe one. Maybe one peek. Okay, 1, They're looking around.
If a wizard finds this in the lobby, it's over. There you go. It's out of everybody's hands. Oh! No! Not again! The wizard's here! He's coming again! He's coming to get his hat! No, listen! Listen, listen! I have your hat! I have your hat! Listen to me! Listen to me! I have your hat! Just listen! Just listen! Listen to me! I have the hat! I can give it to you! Just listen to me! Listen! Come here, you little slut! Come here! Come here! I'll beat that little dick right off your butt!
He accepted.
Hello?
Hi, man.
Yo, what's up, man?
So,
What's going on?
I never thought you'd ever accept. Oh my gosh. Wait. You're crazy cracked at this game, man.
Thank you, dude.
But I'm better, so.
Olha os bolinhos dos pezinhos. Liga ele morrendo pro PV agora. Eu consigo, Yoda. Nada a ver, né? Eu acho que nada a ver, mano.
Nice. Oh shit! Oh
Holy
shit!
fuck.
It's so
Holy
good!
fuck.
It's so
Holy
good!
fuck. Wait. Other cap for the quest though.
Oh my!
Let's fucking go, Jen! Oh my god, I thought about the my fucking god, let me loot, please, 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 please. Holy shit! Oh my fucking god! Holy shit!
You're out in a second.
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I went to break door. Oh fuck.
Don't die.
I'll die, I'll jump up.
What the fuck?
Sure.
In the head.
Imagine
What?
Where's that guy?
What?
Oh. Twice. He's in Phantom, he's running towards you. Where are you, miss?
I'm behind you. They're running hard.
Mayday.
I'm trying to creep up behind the bar. I'm like hella far.
There's a warlock right here. Bro,
Yeah,
they're both over here.
Yeah, I'm trying to come.
Bro, like, get in here.
Bro, how is this guy so, like, not dead? He's, fuck, I stabbed him like 6 times.
You're right above me.
Clue. Yeah.
I'm getting pressed.
He's dead.
I hit you with that. You're joking. Got a heal shin. Stay on him.
Back around, Apollo. Be ready. Go back, Apollo.
There's a million fucking mobs.
Oh my god!
What?
I killed one.